Welcome back to the series of my tutorial videos. In this video, we'll be doing TFT LCD interface and boot configuration of SoC, which is OSD335X. In the previous video, we designed a power supply circuit of our project, so if you missed the video, please check it out in the playlist. So now let's get started. So in the last video, we completed the power supply circuit of our project. So in this video, I want to create a new schematic sheet and then do the LCD interface and boot configuration of the SoC. So let's go ahead and create our new schematic sheet under the same project. So in order to do that, just go ahead and right click on it, my project, which is Jacon computer, and then new schematic. Okay, here we have another new schematic sheet. Now in the title, I'm gonna put, just go ahead and double click on it. I'm gonna type in TFT, and then boot configuration of SoC configuration. All right, and then hit enter. Okay, in the company, I'm gonna name mine Sakangara. Okay, that's my name. Oh, sorry. All right. So now in this schematic sheet, I want to flash the components part for the TFT and boot configuration. So just go ahead and hold on Shift and then F. Okay, in the field, I'm going to type in OSD335X and then hit enter. Okay. Now bear in mind that you want to choose one particular component library first using the same SoC, otherwise it's going to create errors and conflict in your design. So let's go ahead and look for the same SoC that we took in our previous design. So scroll down all the way through to find which we took in our previous design. Okay, here's the library that we took. Now I want to select TFT LCD interface and boot configuration of SoC. So just go ahead and select this port part and see if it is what we are looking for. Let's zoom it in a little bit. Yes, it is LCD data interface. So just go ahead and place it in the schematic sheet. Just try to put it right in the middle. Okay. Now see this. All these pins are multiplex, and if you don't know the concept of multiplex, you can read 8-bit microprocessor architecture and interface, and also the digital electronics. So I don't want to talk about the multiplex signals here. So okay, these pins can be used for both LCD interface and boot configuration. So I want to have this SoC to be in okay, let me type in 001100000 and then 0 boot configuration. So I wanna have boot configuration circuit according to this bit string, okay, which I have put it up here. Okay. So let's go ahead and do the circuit now. Just go ahead and draw the line. Okay, it's not in the along the grid. Okay, now it's been fixed. All right, now do the circuit. नैबे लाइनफोरा जाहैबाय मा माल्टिप्लेक्स सिगनेल नोंथांमोना माल्टिप्लेक्स सिगनेलनि सोमोन्दै गियान गैयाबा नोंथांमोनहा डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रनिक्स बा 8-bit माइक्रोप्रोसेसर आर्किटेक्चार आरो इन्टारफेसखौ फरायना लाग्रोनो हागोन okay लावबाय so far so good I'm going to draw the line first and then put the label on them आं लाइनखौ बोनानै लाग्रोगोन बेनिफ्राय बिसोरनि सायाव लेबेलफोरखौ होनाय जागोन okay So now it's time to put the labels on them. So in order to do that, what I want to do is I'm just going to go over here, which is an net label, and then put it right here. Okay. Now I want to rename it. Okay. LCD D0 and then system put 0. दानिया आङो लेबेलखौ सोलायनाय जागोन नैबे गोदान लेबेलजों sorry. Okay. And then D0. Okay. I'm gonna copy this and then paste. And after that, put it on this line. Okay. It's gonna be D1. दानिया बे जोंना जागोन D1 system boot 1. दानि नोंथांमोना मिथिखाबाय जानो हागौ बेखौ माने LCD D0 system boot 0 होननाय जादों मानोना बे लाइन्सफोरा बे सिगनेल लाइन्सफोरा माल्टिप्लेक्स सिगनेल्स जायखौ LCD इंटरफेस आरो boot configurationआव बाहायनाय जागोन. Okay, आं नोंथांमोननो सिगाङाव दिन्थिलांबाय थागोन. Okay. Okay. Alright, and then boot 2. Easy enough. Boot goodly. Super simple. And then boot 3. Okay. Just copy and paste. Put it on it. D4. LCD data 4. These pins are intended to interface with RGB pins of LCD and then boot configuration circuit. So it's going to be boot 4. It's purely simple. Okay. D6 right there. And then 6. Hit enter. Alright. It's kind of boresome word. It's boring. Somewhat repeatedly done. Kind of boring. Okay. This is gonna be D9 and then boot 9. बाथावथाव खामानि सेमखौनो मावफिनबाय थानाय जादों जेबो गैया just copy and paste आरो बेनिफ्राय data 0 आरो boot 0 खौ सोलायनाय. Okay. And then copy and paste. Oh my god, very frustrating. Same word has to be done repeatedly. Alright, D11 and then boot 11. Hit enter. Okay, alright. Just go ahead and copy and then paste. Make it 12. And this is also going to be 12. Okay, we have 3 more. Copy and paste. Okay. Make it 13. And then this is going to be 13. Pretty much done with that. 14. Let me see. This is also going to be 14. Okay. Copy and paste. Okay, 15. And 15. then just go ahead and save it. Save खालामना लाग्नि. Now these 4 pins are also required for interfacing LCD, like vertical synchronize and horizontal synchronize, which are very essential signals for LCD. So I'm just gonna go ahead and connect these pins, LCD pins. Okay. So I'm gonna put it LCD clock. Okay. LCD PCLK. Okay. It's gonna answer clock signal for LCD initialization. So it's very important. Copy it. And it's vertical synchronization signal. So I'm gonna need it. And rename it with LCD vertical synchronization. And then horizontal synchronization. This is gonna be awesome. And then finally, which is LCD bias. Okay, sorry, my camera fell down. It's gonna be AC bias enable. It's very important signal. Okay, now I've completed this part. I'm gonna have to have the boot configuration. So just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay. Okay, let me get some pull up and pull down resistors. So in order to do that, and select this. It is recommended to pull up and pull down with 100K in boot configuration circuit. So I'm gonna have 100K boot configuration circuit out. Pull up or pull down ko 100 kilo ohm हेंथाग्रानि जुनै खालामनांगौ होननानै जोंनि डेटा शीटआव होनाय दंखायो, बेनिखायनो 100K नि रेसिस्टर लानाय जादों. Okay. Yeah. I wanna need 16 pieces of it. Okay. No, I have now 6. So I'm gonna need 12 now. I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 4 of them. We could also use resistor array, but I don't want to use that because it's not readily available here in India. I don't know where do I find it, but I didn't get it. So now, if you look at this boot configuration bit string, the first fan needs to be pulled down. I'm gonna go ahead and connect it. And this is also be pulled down. Okay. So I'm gonna tie it down to the ground. Here I select the ground. Pull down खालामोबा जों ground आव connect खालामनाय जायो resistor go. This is bit 1. It means high. So I'm gonna need 3.3 volt. So where do I get? I have to go back in my first schematic sheet just to find 3.3 volt, which is right there. Okay, I'm gonna copy this and I bring it in here. Okay, so far so good. Just follow along with me. And these are all. And this way. Oh, sorry. Okay. So now, after 1, okay, we need 2, 1, 1. Okay, after 1, 1, we have a couple of zeros. So I'm gonna pull them down. These pins, let's connect them together. All right. Tie them to the ground. Okay, I'm gonna put it somewhere up here. And then this is gonna be digital logic true. So I'm gonna, okay, can I get this? Alright, this is off the ground. I'm pretty much done. Okay, now this configuration has been exactly corresponding to this. Okay, so and if we look at this side and this side, you have a couple of pins, and these pins are used for interfacing Ethernet. All right, Ethernet actually, Ethernet shifts. I'm gonna use them for I mean, in a letter design. So I'm gonna show it in the next videos. So I'm gonna leave it for now. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the the configuration of the booting sequence of SoC and an LCD interface. So now it's time to put the LCD interface. So let's go ahead and hold on Shift and then F. Okay, TFT 40 pins LCD. Alright, it's not available in its component library, so we want to create our own custom component library, which is going to include both schematic symbols and PCB footprints, so you cannot miss it. If you miss it, it would cause lots of problem in your design, and you would say, what am I going to do with that? And then you would end up with that. So, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to do that in the next video, so stay tuned to the next video.